These three things will make you chased by girls 100% guaranteed. And don't be surprised if those who will chase you are the best girls, who have beautiful hearts, brains, and appearances. Maybe the things I'm going to tell you after this are a little weird and haven't been done by many other men in this world. Watch until the end. Number 1, don't chase girls. If you want to get beautiful girls, don't chase them. Girls sometimes feel uncomfortable if they are being chased too much. So pretend that you are a hunter. What does a hunter do when they are hunting? They will not spend their time chasing their prey, but they will stay in a strategic place, set bait, and wait for the prey to be trapped. Then, what's the bait? The bait is at number 2. Number 2, focus on yourself. Yes, the bait is yourself. More precisely, the quality of yourself. Instead of spending energy and money to chase girls, it's better to use that energy and money to develop yourself. Exercise so that your body becomes more masculine, learn new skills, and work hard to make your career better. If you focus on yourself, you will become cooler, smarter, and stronger. If that's the case, the girls will be much more attracted to you. But wait, because you are someone full of qualities, you also expect the girls who are attracted to you are the best. So how do you get the best girls close to you? The trick is in number 3. Number 3, uninstall all online dating apps. It's not that these apps aren't good. It's just that they're too random, not worth all the time and energy you've invested in yourself. So how do you find quality girls? The answer is that you can find these girls in places where you have developed yourself, maybe in the gym, at the seminars you attend, in your hobby community, and so on. Besides, what you will meet are girls who are not random. The girls in that place at least already have the same hobbies and activities as you do. That way, it is almost certain that the girls you find will be more suited to the characteristics you have. In conclusion, these 3 things will definitely make you chased by girls. Number 1 is don't chase girls. Number 2, focus on yourself. Number 3, uninstall all online dating apps. Good luck, bro.